says you're going to draw ice cream.
Yeah, we're going to draw zombie ice cream for Halloween. We hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
friends.
Yeah, friends and family. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
First, let's draw our zombie's tongue. We're going to draw the letter U right in the middle of our paper, about that big. Yeah, and then let's draw a straight line coming out on each side, about that far. And then we're going to draw the top of our zombie's mouth. We're going to draw an upside down U that comes up like this, around, and connects to the other side. Then we're going to finish the tongue. We're going to draw a little curve that comes in halfway. Then we're going to draw another curve that connects there, and then we're going to continue and then come down to the side of the mouth. Now let's add teeth. We're going to draw gross teeth. We're going to draw little U shapes for the teeth, and we can space them out. Then we can draw the gums in between. I'm going to draw a line that connects in between the teeth. Then let's color in the inside of the mouth. Now let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw spooky eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the right. And we can also draw the ice cream melting away from the eye. I'm going to draw letter U underneath. And let's draw the pupil. And we can also color in the little droopy part underneath the eye. Now let's draw the other eye. And I'm going to draw it a little smaller than this one. And I'm going to add a pupil inside of that eye. And we can draw, maybe there's a bigger droop from this one. Or it's melting, the ice cream is melting away from the eye.
Yeah.
This is ice cream you don't want to eat.
No.
Okay.
It's been sitting on the road.
Yeah.
For weeks.
For weeks. Now we're going to draw part of the ice cream that's missing, and we're going to draw the brain showing through. So we're going to draw a little curve that goes over the eye, comes up towards the right. And then we can draw a drip coming down. So a little U shape. And then we're going to draw it continuing up higher. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the brain inside of this. We're going to draw a bumpy popcorn line like this. It comes over to the other side. And then to make this a little more 3D, we can draw a little dark melted part on each side of the brain. Kind of like the eyes. Yeah, that looks like the brain's inside of the ice cream. Now let's draw the ice cream melting. We're going to draw a curve that comes out like this, and we're going to draw it coming down. Let's draw a little drip right here. So we're going to draw a U shape that comes back up. Then we're going to draw more of the ice cream coming down further. And we can draw a little drip down here at the bottom. Now let's come over to the other side, and we're going to finish the ice cream over here. So we're going to draw another curve that comes up like this, over, we're coming over the eye. Oh, we could add a little drip right here. Let's draw more of the ice cream coming down past the eye. We could add another drip somewhere, maybe right here. Then we're going to draw more of the ice cream coming down. Oh, this one's going to come down really far and then back up. Oh, let's draw more drips coming across the ice cream. Maybe it connects to the tongue, comes out this side with more drips. And you could change your ice cream. It could have more or less drips or bigger ones that come down further. Now let's draw the cone. We're going to draw the side of the cone. Let's draw a guide point straight down the middle, and we're going to draw it right about that far down. So directly below the tongue. And then we're going to draw the side of the cone coming down to this guide point right here. Now we're going to draw the other side of the cone, but we're going to stop. We're not going to go all the way down. So we want to aim it like we're coming down to this point. I'm going to stop right there, and we're going to draw a bite out of the cone. So I'm going to draw a couple bumps like this, and then we'll continue it down. Yeah, you did it. Now let's draw some of the ice cream melting out of the bite. So I'm going to draw a curve coming down. We could draw a little drip that comes back up. Oh, and I'm going to draw another drip that comes down further, and then we'll connect to the bottom of the bite mark. Yeah, and then right here we could draw another dark part, kind of like we did for the eyes and also the brains. Let's add more drips on the ice cream. I'm going to draw one right here. Oh, and then maybe underneath the eye too. Oh, and one over here. What else should we add to our zombie ice cream?
Worms.
Yes, let's add gross worms. I'm going to draw a wiggly line that comes out of the top. And then we can draw another wiggly line that matches the first one. And then let's connect those two together. And then let's add another wiggly worm coming out over here. And then we'll connect those two lines together also. Oh, and I'm going to draw one. Maybe this one's coming down. You could add more gross things to your ice cream, like more eyeballs.
You can even add ants.
Oh, ants or spiders. That would be really cool. You could also add toppings like sprinkles or candy corns or maybe even a little pumpkin.
Oh, yeah.
Let's leave it just like this. We still need to do one more thing.
Color it.
Yeah, we're going to fast forward this part, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our zombie ice cream, and it turned out so cool, all colored in.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring.
Yeah, or you could color it different. You don't have to color it the same as us. You could also use different art supplies. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers. And if you have the same set, we used 35 yellow for the eyes, 59 green for the ice cream, and what was the color for the worms and also the brain?
89 and 121 pink.
Yeah, we used two different pinks. A lighter pink for the main color and then a darker pink to add the texture.
And then for the waffle cone, we used 24 and 103.
Yeah, 24 is the lighter brown and then 103 is for the waffle texture.
We also added spiders.
Yeah, you could add whatever toppings you want to your gross ice cream.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your zombie ice cream.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you have fun adding extra gross toppings to the top. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.